Good morning, everyone. How are you all, students of class 3? Once again, I, Mohita Singh, welcomes you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that we have finished chapter 12. Okay? So, in this class, children, we will discuss objective question answers of chapter 12 local administration. Okay, students? So, let us start the class with objective question answers. Okay, student? So, come to the A section. Take the correct answer. This is our A section, children. The head of village panchayat is called A. Sarpanch, B. Panch, C. Gram Sevak. Children, our answer will be A. Sarpanch. Okay. The head of village panchayat is called Sarpanch. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is number 2. The head of municipal corporation is called A. Panch, B. Mayor, C. Chairman. Children, our answer will be B. Mayor. Okay, the head of municipal corporation is called Mayor. Okay. Now everyone move to the question number 3. In small cities, we have A. Municipal committee, B. Municipal corporation, C. Both of these. Children, in small city, we have A. Municipal committee. Okay, we have municipal committee. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. In big cities like Delhi and Mumbai, we have A. Municipal committee, B. Municipal corporation, C. None of these. Children, in big cities, we have municipal corporation. Okay. B. Okay. Now everyone come to the question number 5. Local body in a village is called A. Village panchayat, B. Village council, C. Village assembly. Children, our answer will be A. Village panchayat. Okay. Local body in a village is called A. Village panchayat. Okay, everyone. Now everyone move to the B section. Okay, that is fill in the blanks. We have to choose words from the box. Okay, words are given: municipal councillors, cities, 18, gram sevak, 5, local bodies, punch. These are the words given and we have to choose our answer from these words. Okay, so come to the first question. To look after the welfare of the people, we have developed a system of dash. Children, our answer will be here local bodies. Okay. To look after the welfare of the people, we have developed a system of local bodies. Okay, which is also known as local self-government. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. The word panchayat comes from the word dash, which means dash. Students, our answer will be the word panchayat comes from the word panch. Okay, which also means 5. Panch means 5. Okay. Come to the question number 3. To help the villagers, the panchayat appoints a dash. Children, to help the villagers, panchayat appoints a gram sevak or sevika. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. We have municipal corporation in big dash, in big cities. Children, we have municipal corporation in big cities, and in small cities we have municipal committee. Okay. Now children, move to the question number 5. The members of municipal committee are called dash. Children, answer will be municipal councillors. The members of municipal committee are called as municipal councillors. Okay. Now come to the 6th number question. People who are dash years of age elect the members of panchayat. Children, answer will be here 18. People who are above 18 years of age elect the member of panchayat. Okay. Now everyone come to the C section. Match the following. This is match the following section. One is panchayat. First one is panchayat, children. You will match panchayat with local elected body. Okay. You will locally elected body. Panchayat is what? Locally elected body. Okay, children. Now mayor, children. Now mayor. Second number is mayor. You will match it with head of municipal corporation. Mayor is the head of municipal corporation. Third is children, sarpanch, and you will match it with B, pradhan. Sarpanch is also known as pradhan or mukhiya. Okay, everyone. Now children, fourth is gram sevak. You will match it with E number. E, help villagers. Okay, gram sevak or sevika help villagers. They are appointed by the panchayat and their work is to help villagers. Okay. And fifth is punch. Punch means 5. Okay. You will match it with A. So children, this is match the following. Okay. Panchayat, match it with D, locally elected body. Second is mayor, match it with C, head of municipal corporation. Third is sarpanch, match it with B, pradhan. Fourth is gram sevak, match it with E, help villagers. And fifth is punch, match it with A, 5. Okay, everyone. Now everyone come to the next section, that is D section. Okay, this is D section, children. Okay. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. Okay, this is D section. Come to the question number 1, children. The village panchayat is appointed by the government. Children, village panchayat is appointed by the government. This is false statement. Village panchayat is appointed by the people of the village. Okay. Now come to the next question. In first question, write there false, children. Okay, F. Write in this F, children. Okay. Now move to the question number 2. All major decisions of a village are taken by the village panchayat. Children, this statement is true. Okay. Write here true. Okay. Now come to the third question. Small towns have municipal corporation. This statement is false. Okay, children, this statement is false. Why? Because in small towns and cities we have municipal committees, not municipal corporation. So this statement is completely a false statement. Okay. Now move to the next question, that is question number 4. Mayor is appointed by the government. Children, this statement is also a false statement. Mayor is appointed by the city councillors. So write here F. Okay. Write here F, everyone. Now next question. Municipal councillors are elected by all citizens of a locality. Children, municipal councillors are elected by all citizens of a locality. This statement is true statement. Okay, children, municipal councillors are elected by the all citizens of a locality. Write here T. T for true. Okay, everyone. So, children, in first number you will write F. In second number you will write T. In third number you will write F. In fourth number you will write F. And in fifth number you will write T. Okay. So children, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. We will meet in our next class video. Okay, children. Till then, must take care. Bye-bye. And thanks everyone.